Libra, this moon is shining in your 11th house of friends and groups and hopes and dreams and good luck. And Uranus is in your house of death and taxes, resources from others, and the psyche. So you're probably really going to want to spend some time with friends, Libra. This is like, hey, let's get out there, let's go do something and and maybe even like you wanted to start a new meetup group or you wanted to, your hopes and wishes are finally coming to light. And then you're like, oh, I got to deal with my taxes. I got an unexpected bill. Oh, I didn't even realize that automatic payment didn't go through. So it's like that little hiccup of I got to go deal with some financial stuff and then I can go shine my light.